And a pleasant good morning to y'all, everybody. How are you? Some of you have asked or have been wondering how I may spend my birthday 2018. Well, not going to a bar or a club or anything like that. But I found a nice little campground here at Arrowhead Park in Iowa, just inside Iowa. So this is my first, to me, real taste of Iowa on this trip. And I got a nice little campsite with hookups for 15 bucks a night. Yeah. I chose a site here on the top of the hill away from everybody else. They've got all those sites that are just crowded side by side down there. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna come up on the hill. So that's what I did. Awesome spot, air conditioning going. About 85 degrees today here in Iowa. And I'm gonna go walk around because this is my first full vlog with the Canon M50 4K mirrorless camera setup here. Doing all of my shooting in this entire vlog will be done on here, including time lapses and all my little scenes and cuts. And I tried out the 50mm pancake lens. I'm gonna do my time lapses with the kit zoom lens, 15 to 45. And may even try to capture some night stuff going on tonight as well. See how the low light performs here at the campground. There's my spot up there on the hill. I've actually decided to shoot at 12mm on this wide-angle lens. I think that's the right frame. I think I have picked and chosen the right frame that I like for it. So we've got electric at the site only, but they got a bathroom, a dumpster, and a spigot to fill up on water on the way out as well. There's a freshly cut cornfield behind me. A little barren. They harvested it. What a beautiful day. Isn't this a pretty park? Trees! There's nice trees in Iowa. Yes! Look at that cute family of geese. Fresh babies. Mom and dad taking them for a swim. They rent canoes and paddle boats to go out on the lake, but no swimming. That might be a strange thing, except as I get closer to the water, that green fungus algae everywhere, I'm like, maybe that's why they don't want you swimming in it. But besides the occasional goose sound effect, it's pretty quiet out here. I guess school's not quite out, so that's why it's just so wide open and not being used. Then again, if you can't swim in the water, then what's the point? I don't know. But yeah, this is a good little birthday for me. Let me go into this tree. I need some shade, actually. Even though it's going to take me 3 months total to finish all of Lincoln Highway coast to coast, and that's the slow route, right? I still feel rushed sometimes, so that's why these little detours and kind of just breaks have been nice for me, you know? Because once I get to the East Coast, it'll be summertime, and then I got to decide, well, where do we want to camp? Where do we want to hang out for the summer? Should we stay near the water? Should I go inland, like upstate New York, or explore some more of Maine? Maine has been calling my name for a while, actually. I really, really miss parts of Maine, and I know there's a bunch more camping over there, so looking forward to that. But it is important for me to hang out with friends from time to time, you know? Yeah, I may spend Thanksgiving Day and Christmas Day alone every year for the last 3-4 years, and my birthday and stuff like that. But I had it all up and say, you know, the times that I spend with friends, well, I count those towards enjoying my birthday. And honestly, I would rather kind of be by myself on my birthday. I don't know if anybody anywhere would prefer that, but I mean, that's just the way I am. I'm kind of a loner. I have been a nomad by myself pretty much the last 8 years alone, most of that time, and I've gotten used to it. Although I do go home to see family, for the first time in my life, I'm going to spend an entire summer away from home, away from the Northwest. That is kind of strange, but like I just mentioned, when I get to see friends, when I get to meet you guys, my new viewers, and meet new friends on the road, that makes up for it, and that balances it out so that I can still get away in the quiet and enjoy my alone time like I wouldn't be able to do if I were hanging out with people, you know? That's my theory anyway, but spending holidays alone is something that I've gotten used to, and I think some people don't ever get used to that. It is what it is, though. That's the price I pay to be able to be out anywhere in the country at any given time of the year. Who knows? Didn't have breakfast today. I just woke up and had coffee, and it's about 2 p.m. now, so I'm gonna get back to the RV where I'm camping there and make some grub, some birthday grub. Yeah. Would still love to hear what you guys think about the camera quality and setup and everything. There's 12, but there's the widest 10. Is that better than 12? Or is 12 more appealing? Obviously, we will not be vlogging at 18 millimeters. Whoa. Whoa. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, because as far as I can tell, there are not very many vloggers using this setup, and I think it's perfect. I think it's going to catch on. Something just slithered in the grass next to me. Might have just been a garter snake or something, but something in that grass there. Pine trees. Hey, welcome back. We don't have a lot of pine trees back home. We got evergreens, but I usually got to go south to find the really nice pine trees. Hey guy, man. How you doing? It's like, what is this crazy contraption you have in front of me with the weird fuzzy thing that I want to attack on top? Don't do it, Jax. You'll get used to it. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside and stretch your little kitty paws? I like how you have your paws all tucked in. You want to check this place out? What do you think, man? Okay, go ahead and sniff that for me and make sure it's okay. Are you making me a birthday lunch, or am I working on that by myself? You're not talking to me today? Okay. Oh, really, dude? Classy. You always go for the picnic tables, man. You always do. It's what I do. It's what I do. You chilling? Looks like my kitty cat's chilling. Yeah. Oh, what big paws you have. My, look at those paws. Look at those thumbs. Get the birds, chicks. Get the birds. Go get them. Thanks for spending my birthday with me, Jax, man. Thank you. Alright, just sitting down to my birthday meal here. Ice cold water, an apple, and a banana. And I do eat apples and bananas every day. I drink about 3 of these a day, but because I don't film it, it doesn't happen. No. Okay, now that's what's really going on. Am I right or am I right? I think I'm right. Say it with me now. Oh yeah! While I'm waiting for the sun to set, gonna go on a spooky little walk up here, because up past my campsite, see the tip of that building up there? Let's go check it out. Oh, weird. It's like an old abandoned part of the campground. It's just weird. They got power lines going to it, so they have powered it. That's creepy. There's no way to access it from this side, so, but it's not numbered or anything. Look at the sun setting over here. Orange colors. That's cool. I don't know why it was abandoned. There's a barbecue grill there. Wow, there's water there too. Oh, there's lights on in here. Absolutely strange. It feels like it's very abandoned. I cannot even imagine hiking all your gear up from the, I mean, what could this be used for? It's like so remote up here on the top of the hill away from the campground. Unless they have a way to open it, because there is an old driveway there, but it's closed off. Very strange. And why can't we use it? Because it's not season yet, you know. It's only 90 degrees. It's not 120 yet. Anyway, guys, I absolutely love this place. What a neat place in Iowa. $15 a night. That ain't nothing. That's dirt cheap. So, Jackson, I'll have a comfortable night here. I will leave you with my first attempt at a star night lapse. Hopefully it's not too cloudy. And I'm going to keep this camera outside all night with the alarm on it, obviously. But I'll get my settings all figured out. Do a couple tests, find the right one. Leave you with that. Jackson, I'll see you in a couple days. Bye, guys.